Well, this is my Gemini account, and as you can see, I can no longer create more pictures today because I just hit a limit. And by the way, sometimes you receive a different message like this one. It says, I'd be happy to make that image for you in the Gemini app. But that's a lie. That's actually not going to allow you to create more images. This is a message that was received by some users on Gemini, but that just basically means you just reached your daily limit and you cannot create more pictures. But that's not true either, because you can still generate more pictures in Gemini without having to upgrade your Gemini account. So I'll show you how you can do it, and don't worry, we're not using any third-party tool. We are going to be using the feature that is available directly in Gemini. In fact, you can even use it on the mobile version of Gemini. Now, what you need to do is you have to go to Gemini and start a new chat. And after that, I do recommend to use the 2.5 Pro version, because what we are going to do right now is we want to create an app that is being powered by the Gemini's model. So just use the 2.5 Pro model because it's very good at creating apps or coding. Now, after that, you can insert this prompt into Gemini, and don't worry, the prompt is going to be available in the description down below. And after that, click Tools, click Canvas, and then send the message. So this is a feature in Gemini where you can create an app that is being powered by some Gemini models like the Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini Nano Banana, etc. And this is separate than the models that you're using in the Gemini web. So it's kind of confusing, and honestly, it's kind of difficult to explain, but basically we are creating an app within an app to exploit, or I would say, I don't want to say exploit, we just want to utilize the feature to the maximum. Now, it is creating the app and it might take quite some time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And after that, you can start creating or editing images using that app. So I guess I'll just skip over and show you the result. Okay, so this is the app. It's called AI Image Generator and Editor. So you can generate and edit images directly in this app. Again, we are still in Gemini. We're not using any third-party tool. It is still utilizing the feature from Gemini. Now, let me try modifying a picture that is on my computer. I'm going to click this upload button. Let me just select maybe this man with big mustache. And I'm going to tell Gemini to remove the mustache. Send the message and just wait, and you will see that even though I just reached a limit on my Gemini account, I can still able to modify and even creating a picture. So just wait maybe 10 to 20 seconds. That's usually the duration that you'll see when creating a picture. And there you go. So let's create another picture. I want to create this picture that I wasn't able to create on my Gemini account because I just hit the limit. So I'm going to copy the prompt and send the message again right here. So just wait for another 20 seconds. So this prompt is actually something that I have modified on my previous video where I was talking about how you can generate a picture on Gemini but without watermark. So this is actually great because the picture doesn't have any watermark whatsoever. So it's going to make the picture looks better and you don't have to use any third-party tool to remove the watermark. Now, as you can see, I was able to generate the picture that I wasn't able to create on the regular version of Gemini. So this is pretty amazing, and honestly, I don't know what is the limit of image creation via this mode. I have no idea. There is no info about it, but this probably will extend the usage or allows you to create more images via Gemini. Again, you can create this app both on the web and also the mobile app version of Gemini. And the prompt is available in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.